Chainsaw Man is just getting better and better. It's really up there with Bleach. Alright, here we go. Chainsaw Man episode The Mission. Let's get it. I'm excited to see this future devil. I like how they keep all these devils down here. This is sick. I feel like there's gonna be some sick devils in this show that really grab my attention.
Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho! Mirai Psycho!
What the fuck?
Psycho! Mirai Psycho!
That's all he says. This is the first goofy devil, I think. Oh, that's creepy. Snake-tailed woman in the samurai sword. That guy. Oh.
今回は忙しい中、お疲れ様でした。これからもデンジ君とパワーちゃんをよろしくお願いします。
俺もあいつら嫌になってきちゃったな。
I want to see this guy's power. He's starting to like him.
この年になるとボケてきておもちゃに
デンジ君。
お前、分かっていて見逃したな。
私も
人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。
Oh shit.
嘘つき。
Okay, this dude put her in check. He put her in check like he was a dog. Like she was a dog working for the humans. Oh, they're rattled.
組長は別荘に移動してもらっています。我がも
マキマが生きてる限り日本には逃げれる場所はない。ここで迎え撃つ準備はしてある。
They're all afraid of Makima.
じいちゃんがいたら逃げること。ここの下には秘密兵器がいる。
Oh, zombies.
じいちゃんの大きい。
アキ君は銃の悪魔狙っとるって聞きました。本気で殺せるって思ってます？
Kill that thing.
うん百万人殺したやつには勝てるとでも？
Millions of people all over the world.
私も銃の悪魔にめちゃくちゃにされた恨みで公安来ました。
The Gun Devil. Dude, they're hyping up. They're hyping up the Gun Devil. How the fuck is Denji gonna take that on? He's gonna have to. Oh, she's taking. Oh wow! Smack him upside his head. I was gonna say, Denji gonna have to awaken his powers if he's gonna take on the Gun Devil. Oh, you can sit back and watch, bitch. Go ahead and laugh. Yeah. Yeah. You just gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do it what your intuition tells you. If that's his main goal in life, he doesn't care about living outside of that, just do it. Do it until you can't anymore. Fuck those guys. Get out of here. It's crazy. That's what they said. They've been saying that. The little animation of them just getting in the car is sick. Mappa's killing this shit. The fluidity of the animation is better than Bleach. I'll give it that. But like the hyped, crazy scenes Bleach got. What are young guys popping off in Tokyo? What? What? What is going on?
聞いた話によると、この沢渡って女が来るわけでな。組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます。
Or she about to smush their head.
わからないのも当然かね。
Oh no.
ねじゃありません。
What is it?
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、目です。
目
What?
安心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人
What? Public safety has
協
someone
力していただけるのなら、その人を紹介します。
to the eye devil? Who the fuck is Makima? Oh, what? Oh my
あ
god.
なたの言う必要悪というものは、
Oh, they're just going head up?
帰りてえなら帰りゃいいじゃねえか。
So there, that's just a special division?
神奈川県警より来ました。
その上でお前たちが注意すべきことは一つだけ。得意4課はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている。4課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。
Wait, aren't they special division
お前
4?
たちには特徴を説明しておく。
What? Oh, okay, so these are new people. Special Division 4. What the fuck? This motherfucker got that one dude's quirk. Lemillion. Oh, okay, this is Special Division 4. Who the fuck is that? Violence. Oh, he has a... Oh, she looks sick. I already know she's sick. Already like her character design. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, she's sick. Oh, no. Ew, that's creepy. Yeah. Oh, she's... Oh my god. The angel devil. Oh, how did I know? Oh, shit.
ハンカチ持ってない。
No. No.
よく僕に近づけるね。触れられたら寿命短くなるのに。
The fiends. Okay, so the shark guy, you got the spider girl, and you got the
手分けして探せ。
poison mask dude. Who I think gets the fiend devil. He gets stronger, or the violence devil. He gets stronger when he beats people up. Or like his gas emits a smoke that makes people want to be violent. Oh, what is he gonna do? This is the future devil. That's Makima's power, right? What is going on? What is going on? Oh, she's doing her thing. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's the showdown.
吐き出し。
What? Oh, is he spitting out his... Oh. Oh, wait, what? He has to fight it? Oh, what?
あいつを殺せ。
Wait, if you eat it, you have to... You get it? Oh, damn.
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は
Oh,
少し先の
okay.
未来が見える。
Come on, Aki.
見えるだけだけどね。
Oh, that's it? Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah, they're going stupid. Aki is Cone. Oh, what? No. Well, how did she get the Ghost Devil? That thing is creepy. I like its design. I love its design.
そのまま絞め殺せ。
No. Are they about to end it like that? Wow. Wow. Damn. Chainsaw Man is just getting better and better. It's really up there with Bleach. And I like it because I don't know what's gonna happen.